Hi everyone, Kim Douglas, AEC Consultant Group. How are you? It's been a while since I've checked in. I apologize. We're still here. We're still cranking. It's just been busy this fall. So yeah, it's good to see y'all. I don't know what's happening, but lots is happening on my computer right now. Actions needed. Close unused applications. Okay, really, is that needed? I don't think so. So, yeah, I wanted to check in today and talk to you guys about your holiday marketing tune up. And this is basically 4 points that I think would be super helpful for any business owner, any manager of a business to do over the holidays. Very simple, very easy. Fit it in. I know my holidays typically go with I bring everything with me to my parents. I bring laptops, I bring folders, I bring all the stuff. I'm going to do all the things, and I probably watch Hallmark movies with my mom. So that doesn't happen. Or I put together puzzles with my sister. So this year, I'm giving you things that you can do that help you get your goals met, help you get the things out on paper, help your business be better. That's my goal. So number one, first thing I want you guys to do is set 2 goals for each, three. Let's do 3. Let's raise the bar here. Let's do 3 marketing goals for each quarter. So this is not, the current time frame is too low. Please set the time frame. I don't know how to do that. It's probably going to be crap. That's okay. Okay, you're going to do 3 goals for each quarter in 2022, and these are marketing goals. Now, you can have the same goal for each quarter. Okay, if you want to say, I want to post 20 things to social media in quarter 1, 2, 3, and 4. Great. But then have your other 2 goals be something different, right? I want to freshen up the website. I want to build an email list. I want to send an email. So get those goals down so you can have great outreach to your clients and customers and let them know you're out there and let you know what you're doing. So tip number 1. Tip number 2, review your website. Love this one. I just did website revisions month and a half ago. We'll hit more on that later. And I have more to do. It never stops, okay? The content that you can refresh and update on your website is always there. So take the time, go through each page, write down some notes, coordinate with your website designer, and make the changes happen. Sometime in that first quarter, maybe even over the holidays, you might get lucky and have some time available, okay? Number 3, I got my list here to keep me on track. Add new people to your email list. This is big. You talked to a lot of people this year. You met people at networking events. You talked to people and gave a speaking presentation. You had a sign-up sheet, right? Did all of these people get added to your email list? Did new client prospects who reached out to you get added to your email list? If not, it's time to add them in. And while you're at it, send a holiday email. I know, I'm guilty. I've gotten emails again. I'm always, shame, monkey. I get the emails like, am I still on your list? Yes, you are. I just haven't sent an email in 6 months. So I apologize. But guess what? It's on my holiday marketing tune-up list. So maybe you'll hear from me soon. So last one I want you to do is brainstorm 10 to 20 pieces of content you can share with your audience on social media. Again, you don't have to do them all in December. It can be January. It can be holiday related. You can do education, right? Tell them what's up and what's going on in your business and what's new cutting edge technology. You can share behind the scenes. Here we are at a holiday party. We had a great mixer with the networking group that I'm a member of. All of these things are quality content you can share online. And so brainstorm that list of what you can do and what you can send out to your audience because they want to hear from you. Again, guilty again. So those are my top 4 tips for your holiday marketing tune-up. Number 1, set some goals for 2022, quarterly goals. I don't want one big goal for 2022 that you just put aside. I want quarterly goals, 2 or 3 of them. Number 2, review your website. Number 3, add folks to your email list. And lastly, brainstorm content for your social media platforms. And you know what? Let's add a little bonus on that one. If you aren't on social media, get on social media. Or if you aren't on Instagram, get on Instagram. Set up your account. Have your niece, your nephew, whoever hook you up with how to do stuff over the holidays, but make it happen. It can really have an impact on your business. And the more I see folks on Instagram, the more it makes me happy. So get there. Other than that, we're closing in on the end of the year. We just had a client meeting today for a website design, and we're looking at the calendar and we're like, ooh, we have like a week and a half to get together before everybody breaks for the holidays. So it's exciting time of year. I love trying to get work done, to get some things moving for clients before then, but I also like the time off. It's great to see family and hang out with the nephews and niece. So tons of fun coming our way. I hope you all are happy and healthy. 2022 is exciting. We got a lot going on. If you haven't been on the website lately, aecconsultantgroup.com, please hop on there. We revamped a couple of the pages, but the resources page is much more streamlined and easy to use and has a ton of resources. So if you are doing your marketing tune-up, please go there and check out what we got going on, because there's a lot of great things. What we have is we have put kind of our headline articles on the top, so there might be something really meaty there for you to help with your business marketing. Then after that, we have our ebook special that we have for sale that is available. It's a great 30-page piece about how you can get into real depth of 8 elements of your marketing plan. Then we have, gosh, what do I have listed? I have to write them down. A news section, downloads, and video resources. So 3 sections of information free for the taking. Again, lots of great stuff on website design, on social media, on online presence, on hosting for your website, that sort of thing. So be sure to check out our resources page. There's a lot of great stuff going on there. And again, some more revisions I still have to make as part of my marketing tune-up. And exciting things will be out in Denver again in February. So February 2nd, I believe is the date. Yep. 2:15 and 3:30 p.m. at the Pro Green Expo at the Denver Convention Center. I almost said Davenport. Like, no, not Davenport. Denver. Colorado, Iowa. It's very confusing. Anyways, the first talk at 2:15 is going to be Business is Booming, Why You Still Need to Market. And the next talk at 3:30 is titled Your 2-Hour Marketing Plan. So if you're ready and excited to get after your business in the green industries in Colorado in February and you're at Pro Green, please pop into our talks, and we would love to have you learn some information from us that'll help you grow your business. So it's been great to see you all. I miss you. Hope everybody, again, is happy, healthy, well, and you guys have an awesome holiday. You might see me before then. You might not. But again, if we don't, have a great one. Bye, guys.